In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana into an Excel file. This is going to be a straightforward and easy tutorial, so let's dive right in. To get started, you should have the Asana platform open and ready on your computer. We're assuming that you've already logged into Asana, so we can jump directly into the steps without any delay. Once you're in and have the Asana interface in front of you, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the specific project you want to export. This isn't the time to worry if you haven't chosen a project yet. Just make sure you know which one needs exporting. Once you've clicked on the project, you'll notice a drop-down button right next to the project's name. This will be the key to accessing export options. Move your cursor over to this drop-down and click it. Now you should be looking at a menu with several options. The section we're focusing on is labeled Sync Export, and this will be towards the lower portion of the menu. When you click Sync Export, you'll then see a submenu with various choices to integrate with other apps or tools. Don't let this overwhelm you though, because our focus today is on exporting. In this submenu, you'll want to find the option that says Export Project Task as CSV. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's a simple file format that will enable you to easily bring your project data into Excel. Now go ahead and click that export option. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with further customization choices. Here, you can opt for either only custom fields in this project or all custom fields, including multi-home tasks. For simplicity and to keep things running smoothly, we're going to choose the recommended option, which is the first one, Export CSV. This will immediately initiate your download. Once the downloading has been completed, navigate to where your files typically download on your computer. There, you should see the new CSV file waiting for you. A simple double click on this file will open it right up in Excel, and voila! You've managed to successfully export your Asana project into Excel. And that, my friends, is how you export from Asana to Excel with ease. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it made this task a breeze. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more straightforward guides like this one. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.